Good morning everyone. Today we will learn about one and more than one, or we can say that singular or plural noun. Okay. Now tell me, do you know what is a singular noun? See, when we talk about one person, animal, place or thing, that is called a singular noun, or we can say that a noun that name a person, one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. For example, a boy, a cat, a house and a flower. Now next, plural noun. What is the plural noun? See, when we are talking about more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun, or we can say that a noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. For example, boys, cats, houses and flowers. We add s to most of the noun to show plural form. Okay, we add s to most of the noun to show plural nouns. Now we have to understand how to change the singular noun to plural noun. For much better, we should know some rules. Let's about these rules. Let's learn about these rules. Add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, s, double s, o, x and z to get their plural form. Understand with an example: ostriches, ostrich and ostriches. See the spelling of ostrich. Ostrich is and with ch. So if we want to change it in plural form, we add es in the end of the noun and it become ostriches. Next, dish. Dish is ending with sh. So we will add es to get their plural form because it ends with sh. Okay, it is the next mango. In the spelling of the mango, what is coming in the last? O is here. Now, what should we do? If any word ending with O, we add es. Bus, next bus. Bus is ending with s, so we add es to make their plural form. Next, princess. This word ending with double s, if we have to change into plural form, we will add es and it become princesses. Next one, fox. It is ending with x, so we add es to make their plural form, foxes. Similarly, boxes. So all the noun which are ending with ch, sh, s, double s, o, x or z, if we want get their plural form, what we will add? We add es. But sometimes some word ending in o take only s in its plural form. Example, piano. Now see the spelling of the piano. It is ending with o. If we change in the plural form, we add only s. Pianos. Like photo, photos, video, videos. We will add only s. Understand? The next rule. The noun that end a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y into I and then adding es. See the example: city, city, city. In this word, before y, t is there and t is consonant, so we will write I instead of y and add es with I to make it plural and it become cities. Similarly, we will do next country, COUNTRY, country. And this word also ending with Y, and before Y R is there, and R is also consonant, so we will put I instead of Y and add ES. It become countries. Singular form is country and plural form is countries. Now, if any word ending with Y but before Y vowel is there, how to change into plural form? See, if any noun that end in a vowel followed by Y, change into plural form simply by addition of S. See, the word monkey is here. In this word, before Y, E is there and E is vowel. So we will not remove Y. We just add S after Y to convert into plural form. Similarly, we will do next keys. Key, K-E-Y, key. Before Y, what is here? E is here and E is also vowel. So we will not change anything. We will add only S after Y to make it plural form. Key and keys. These two rules are very important. If any word end with Y and before Y vowel is there, then no need to change anything to make their plural form. We just add S in the end of the noun. What is the next rule? To form the plural of a noun that end in F or FE, we replace the F or FE with VES. See the example. Leaf, LEAF, leaf. In the last, what is coming here? F. When we convert into plural form, we will remove F and add VES instead of F, and it become leaves.